Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a Kaspr tutorial. I'll be covering how it can help you find verified emails and phone numbers on LinkedIn, enrich lead lists in bulk, and sync everything to your CRM without manual copy and paste. We'll cover the setup, the Chrome extension, Sales Navigator, and Recruiter Lite workflows, CSV enrichment, credits, integrations, and more. Now, who is this video for? It is for you if you spend time hunting for decision makers and contact details, sales reps, recruiters, founders, anyone who needs verified contact information and a simple way to push it to HubSpot, Salesforce, or Pipedrive. And you can do that instead of tab hopping and guessing, as Kaspr shows contact data right on LinkedIn and lets you enrich full lists with a few clicks. And if you are completely unfamiliar, Kaspr is a LinkedIn Chrome extension plus web application. It reveals B2B emails and phone numbers on LinkedIn profiles and lists, supports Sales Nav and Recruiter Lite, and can bulk enrich CSVs. So you can export to CSV or push data straight into CRMs and other sales tools. The extension taps a large B2B database and works inside LinkedIn so you don't break your flow. Now, the way it works, or for the setup, you go to Kaspr's site, or you can use the link in the description below this video for convenience, and then you create an account. There is a free plan available with limited monthly credits, and of course paid plans with much higher allowances. As of the time recording this video, you can either start with a monthly plan or the annual one and save 25% off. There is a free plan, as I mentioned earlier, which gives you credits per month for 15 B2B email credits, 5 phone credits, and 5 direct email credits. The starter plan, on the other hand, is at $65 per month and gives you even more allowances, such as 100 phone credits and 5 direct email credits still, but you get unlimited B2B email credits. You also get another features which you can check out on the kaspr.io/pricing page right here. We also have the business plan at $99 per month when paid monthly, and this one gives you unlimited B2B email credits and up to 200 phone and direct email credits. Now, after you have created your account and chosen a plan, again, you can get started completely for free by using the link in the description below this video. The next step would be to install the Kaspr Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store or directly on their website. And then you will see the Kaspr button appear on LinkedIn. And from there, you can reveal contact data on a profile or a list. A pro tip that I would give you is to connect your CRM early. So settings and then integrations, and that way every lead that you reveal can sync with one click onto your CRM. You will see the native connections and Zapier that cover the usual CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, and more. Now, once again, Kaspr uses a credit system, so you only pay for what you need. We've got the B2B email credits that reveal professional emails, phone credits that reveal phone numbers, direct email credits that reveal personal emails, and you can export credits that let you export data outside of Kaspr to CSV or to your CRM. One credit equals one item revealed, so you want to keep your eye on the usage so you don't burn through the phones on low value leads. Now, the way the Chrome extension works on LinkedIn is that you open any LinkedIn profile, click the Kaspr button to reveal the contact details. If data is available, you will see the professional email and, if supported, a phone number. You can save the contact to Kaspr, export, or send to your CRM right away. This is the fastest way to get a single decision maker's info without leaving LinkedIn. Now, here's why this matters. You don't need to scrape or hack together multiple tools. The data lives where you already work, inside of LinkedIn. So you can qualify from the profile and save the contact in just seconds. For outbound reps, that speed is the whole game. If you use Sales Navigator or Recruiter Lite, Kaspr also overlays enrichment on top of your searches and saved lists. You can reveal contact details from search results, people lists, or saved leads and push them into Kaspr or your CRM. On their paid plans, Kaspr explicitly supports working on Sales Navigator, Starter, and on Recruiter Lite with Business, which is ideal if you prospect or recruit at volume. An example workflow would be to run a Sales Navigator search and then use Kaspr on that results list to reveal emails or phones for the top matches, save them, and send to your HubSpot target list. You stay in flow and avoid any manual copy and paste. Now, if you have a spreadsheet of people with LinkedIn URLs, you can use Kaspr's CSV enrichment. So you go to CSV enrichment in your Kaspr dashboard. You upload your CSV with a dedicated LinkedIn URL column. Map the fields, so first name, last name, company, and all, and then launch the enrichment and let Kaspr fill in the emails and the phones at scale. When it's done, you export to CSV or push to your CRM. This is perfect for event attendee lists, group members, or older lists missing contact information. Now, I want to go over the accuracy and coverage. So no database is perfect. Kaspr covers hundreds of millions of emails and phones and updates them often. But to be realistic, you won't be getting 100% hit rates. You want to use phone credits on high value profiles, keep B2B versus direct email clear, and always test a few records before you scale a campaign. But still, manually digging up emails and phones can take 5 to 10 minutes per contact and burns through your day. With Kaspr, you reveal the contact information on the profile or list, save and sync to your CRM. And that difference completely adds up, especially for SDRs and recruiters who live inside LinkedIn. So go ahead and install the Kaspr extension, connect your CRM, and enrich your top 30 prospects from LinkedIn or Sales Nav. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know what you think of Kaspr in the comments below this video. If you would like to test it out completely for free, go ahead and navigate to the link in the description below this video and get started with the starter plan, again completely for free. Or you can write kaspr.io and create your account. And if you have found this video to be helpful, informative to watch, let us know by giving us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos relating to this one.